Most people get this wrong when choosing a cash advance app. They think all of them work the same and just hand out free money. But in reality, the differences between them can seriously affect how much you get, how fast you get it, and what you actually pay. In this video, you'll learn the real comparison between Dave and Earnin in 2026, how each one works, and which one is actually better depending on your situation. And stay until the end because I'll show you the one key factor that decides which app you should pick, instantly. Let's get straight into it. First, here is the truth no one tells you. Neither Dave nor Earnin gives you free money. Both are cash advance apps. That means you are accessing money you already earned, or are expected to earn, not borrowing from a bank in the traditional sense. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even though they sound similar, they work in slightly different ways. Dave focuses on simplicity. It connects to your bank account, analyzes your income, and offers small cash advances when your balance is low. It is more of an all-in-one financial app with budgeting tools and alerts built in. Earnin works differently. It is more focused on tracking your work hours or income schedule. It allows you to access money you have already earned based on your job activity. For example, Alex working a regular shift job might use Earnin to access part of his paycheck before payday. But here's the problem most beginners miss. Dave usually has more predictable eligibility, but smaller features tied to its ecosystem. Earnin can sometimes offer more flexibility, but it depends heavily on employment verification and income tracking. Now let's break it down simply. If you want ease of use and a simple app that gives small advances and budgeting tools, Dave is usually more beginner-friendly. It is straightforward and less dependent on detailed work tracking. But if you have a stable job with consistent hours, Earnin can sometimes give you more accurate access to your earned wages. That is where it can feel more flexible. Now here is where it gets interesting. Fees and costs are not always obvious. Both apps rely on optional tips or subscription features. So your real cost depends on how often you use fast funding or extra features, not just the advance itself. In a minute, I'll give you a simple decision rule so you can pick the right app in under 10 seconds. Here's the real comparison. Dave is better for simplicity and budgeting support. Earnin is better for paycheck-based access if your job is stable and trackable. So, to summarize clearly, both apps are legit cash advance tools, but they serve slightly different users. The biggest takeaway is this. Dave is better for general financial control, while Earnin is better for structured income workers. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, make sure to like the video, comment which app you use, and subscribe for more honest comparisons like this.